Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doc Keys. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to play the keyboard as a beginner from scratch. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do inversions. You understand? As a beginner, you should know this, because if you learn this the proper way, in no time you'll be very good. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do well to like, subscribe and share. So first off, in my previous tutorial I showed you guys let me do a quick recap. I showed you the major notes on F and C. I also did on F sharp, but on this very tutorial I will do it on F. So the major notes that I showed you guys: your Do, your Re, your Mi, your Fa, your Sol, your La, your Ti, your Do. Understand? I also showed you the full chords, which is your Do, your one, your Do or your one, then your Re or your two, your Mi or your three, your Fa or your four, your Sol or your five, your La or your six, your Ti or your seven, back to your one. That's a recap. So now I'll be showing you guys how to know the inversions. So you know this your Do is your one. Inversion simply means to change position of a particular note. What do I mean by that? You know this your F, your A and your C. So you now change the position of this F forward. You move it here. So this you have inverted. That is your Do. The first, your root chord, your Do, you have inverted it here. That's that F, you have inverted it here. So it now be, instead of F, A and C, it will now be A, C and F. You can only do it twice. You understand? So this is your root chord, F, A and C. So the next one should be A, C and F. Then the last, you now invert this A, which is your Mi, to this position, and you remove it here. It will now be C, F and A, which is your Sol, Do, Mi. So for your Do, you have so most times someone will play the song, you go like this, something like, we live today, yeah, still on Do. You understand? We live today. You understand? You now give a different melody. We live. So let me show for other notes. For your Re, it will now be Re. This is the first one. So if you invert it, it's Re, Fa, La. If you invert it, it will now be Fa, La, Re. Then the last one, La, Re, Fa. So you get something like this. Still the Re. That's you inverting the chord, the notes, to give a different melody. As a beginner, you should know this. Understand? for your mi, you have mi so ti. If you invert it, it will now be so ti mi. That is your 5, your 7, and your 3. Understand? Your C, E, A. So you get something like this. So the last one will now be your T, Mi, So. So C, first one, second one, last one. That's for your Mi. Then for your Fa, La, Do. If you invert it, you now get La, Do, Fa. And the last one, you now get Do, Fa, La. Still same thing. So you get something like this. Hope you are getting something in this tutorial. Then your So, Ti, Re. If you invert it, you now get your T, your Re, your So. And the last one now be your Re, your So, and your T. So you get something like this. Then for your La, you see your La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi. If you invert it, you now get your Do, Mi, La. Then the last one is your Mi, La, Do. You understand? Then for your T, is your T, Re, Fa. If you invert it, invert this to here, you now get your Re, Fa, T. You get it? If you now invert this here, now get your Fa, Ti, Re, then back to your Do. Understand? So that's what you get. Some people will play. You see? Your Mi. So, your La, your T, your Do. Hope you got something in this very lesson. How to know your inversions on keyboard. See on this very series. So you have to digest this first, and I'll bring another part on how to play keyboard from scratch. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video and learned something, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your feedbacks. Thank you guys. I'm Keys. God bless.